All right. So I'm going to revise all the attributes of all the tags. Then I'll start the discussion of the question answers. You pick up your book and come here. This boy. Pick up your book and come here. Give one book to him. All right. So first of all, let us revise the attribute of body tag. We have BG color. We have background. Then we have left margin. Okay. Then we have top margin. Then we have link. Then we have A link. Then we have V link. And then we have text. These are the attributes of your body tag. Okay. These are the attributes of body tag. Right? Then attributes of font tag. What is the role of font tag? Font tag is used to specify the size, color, and style for a particular segment of the text. Okay? It has three attributes: size, face, and color. The font tag is used to set the style, the color, and the size for particular segment of text. Then there is one tag which is equal to font tag, that is base font. Base font. Base font tag also has same attribute: size, face, color. Now, what is the role of base font? Base font tag is used to specify the color, the style, and the size for the entire text in the web page. Right? I give an example to you. See here. I have taken base font, color equal to red. जितना भी टेक्स्ट आपने वेब पेज में लिया है उसको कलर क्या मिल गया? रेड. That will got the red color. ओके? ये टेक्स्ट है तुम्हारा, ये रेड कलर में आ रहा. What I did, I take font tag also and I give color yellow. और मैंने ये लाइन लिखी और इसके बाद मैंने फॉन्ट टैग बंद कर दिया. यहां पे फिर टेक्स्ट है. Whatever line is enclosed inside the font tag, that will be in yellow color. क्योंकि मैंने उस पे फॉन्ट टैग लगा के प्रॉपर्टीज लगा दी हैं. जो बाकी का टेक्स्ट है जो फॉन्ट टैग के अंदर नहीं है, that will take which color? Secondly, font tag is a container tag. इसका ओपनिंग भी है, इसका क्लोजिंग भी है. But it is not compulsory to close the base font. ये ऑप्शनल है. इट इज ऑप्शनल, क्लोज करो चाहे ना करो। फॉन्ट टैग बंद करना पड़ता है क्योंकि फॉन्ट टैग इज अ कंटेनर टैग, इट हैज ओपनिंग एंड क्लोजिंग, but it is not compulsory to close the base font tag. Sit straight all of you, 7C, actively and smartly. Clear? Up till here, am I clear to all? Now the next tag which I'm going to discuss is B tag. B tag is bold. Bold. All of you turn back and see the headings of your chart. Pay attention only to, don't speak anything from your mouth. Just turn and check the headings. All the headings are bold. Now turn in front. Turn to front side. Whatever you write inside the B tag, it will be appearing bold. Bold means dark, thick. For example, I say B daily and I close the B tag. It will appear in the bold form. Thick and dark. Next tag is I tag. Italic. Whatever you write inside the I tag, it will appear in italic form. थोड़ा slanting way में. Right? Then is U tag. Underline. Whatever you write inside the U tag will get underlined. It will get underlined. And all these three are container tags. All these three are container tags. Right? Then next we have all the heading elements H1 to H6. Highest is H1, lowest is H6. And heading element has only one attribute, that is align. हेडिंग एलिमेंट चाहे H1 हो, चाहे H2 है, चाहे H3 है, चाहे H4 है, उसका सिर्फ एक एट्रीब्यूट है अलाइन. एंड व्हाट आर द वैल्यूज ऑफ अलाइन एट्रीब्यूट? लेफ्ट, राइट, सेंटर. What you are eating? Throw it. Then next tag is P tag. That is the paragraph tag. It is used to create a paragraph. It is used to create a paragraph. Paragraph tag also has one attribute, align. It also has one attribute, that is align. Am I clear to all up till here? All right. Then next is your BR, break. It is used to shift the text to the next line. It is used to shift the text to the next line. It is empty tag. Okay? और इसका कोई एट्रीब्यूट नहीं होता. BR टैग का कोई एट्रीब्यूट नहीं है. Am I clear to all? All eyes only on blackboard and sit straight, all of you, totally straight. Then we come to the table tag. Attributes of table tag: border, border color, cell spacing, cell padding, align, BG color, background, frame, rules, height, width. These all are attributes of table tag. Am I clear to all? Online class, am I clear with the revision part? And there are 4 structural tags. Which are they? HTML, head, title, and body. Clear? Am I clear to all? All right. What are container tags? The tags which have opening as well as closing. What are empty tags? The tags which only have opening but no closing. What are the examples of empty tag? Empty tag: HR, BR, LI, list item. List item. LI tag stands for list item. HR stands for horizontal rule. HR stands for horizontal rule. Then empty tag is IMG. Image. Its full form is image. IMG is empty tag. Its full form is image. वहीं बैठ जाइए जहां खड़े हैं. Clear, all of you? HR is horizontal rule. LI list item. Break. All right. Now, whatever I'm going to discuss, clearly pay attention to that. If any doubt, just raise your hand when I will finish my concept. Open your books and let us start doing the exercises. Online students, on your video, open your book and put the focus of the camera on the book so that I should get to know that you people are also discussing the question answers and exercises. Suhana and Bhavya, please, video must be on. All right. Without creating any disturbance, shall we start? All right. Open to page 82. Don't raise your hands. All of you hold a pencil in your hand. A pencil in your hand. Let us discuss first of all multiple choice questions given at page 82. The first question is, which tag is used to make the test italic? C option. C option. Very good. Good response. Are you getting my voice clearly? Bhavya, Suhana, and Akriti? Are you having the book at home? We are doing MCQs, page 82. Okay? Keep your video on only. Second MCQ, don't speak till I finish the question. Which tag is used to create a line break? C part, BR. C part, BR. Those who don't have the book, they can note it down in the rough notebook. When you will go home, you can fare it. Which tag is used to format the font? Don't shout. Recording is on. Don't shout. Font tag. Very good response. Be very conceptual. Don't go with the cramming part. Okay? Read the question, then think about the answer. Fourth, which tag displays? Is this the way to give the answers? Is this the way to give the answers in the online class? Just raise your hand. You. Body tag. C option, body tag. Next question you will answer. Which attribute is used to put more space around the cell? More space around the cell. Cell spacing. Cell spacing, B option. MCQs done? Anybody who has not covered the MCQ part? Last. All right. Don't use pen in the book. Extra pencil है किसी के पास? Don't use pen. Yellow. All right. Let us shift towards the fill in the blanks. I will name the child. That child will answer the question. This girl. HTML stands for. Nobody will speak. Hypertext markup language. Writing's neat. Please write very neatly in the book. Next is to change the font style and color. Dash tag is used. U font tag. Don't raise the hand. I will make the child stand myself. Put your hand down. Put your hand down. Nobody will raise the hand. To change the background color of the page, dash attribute of body tag is used. Very good. BG color. Very nice response. This question is for this girl. The closing tag must contain a dash symbol, forward slash, and draw the symbol like this. Forward slash. All right. HTML files can be saved with dash extension. There are two answers. .htm or .html. There are two answers. It can be saved with .htm or .html. Am I clear to all? MCQ done. Fill in the blanks done. Shifting to true and false. We start from here. One by one, every child will give the answer. Put your hand down. First, true and false. HTML is a case sensitive language. False. Very good. You cannot make the text bold and italic. False. Very good. Shabash. Don't raise your hand, I said. बेटे आपकी टर्न है. The on and off tags are called container tags. True. Very good. BR tag is used to break a line. True. Very good response. Title tag is used to display the content of the web page. False. Bhavya, Suhana, Akriti, online class. Am I clear up till here with all the answers? Discussion is clear. Go with the conceptual knowledge always. Okay. All three sections are clear. All right. Now we are shifting to the definitions part. We are to write the definition. Okay. First is head tag. Shift to page 70. The head tag defines the document header. It contains the information about document, its title, and document descriptions. Okay? Don't speak when recording is on. Am I clear with it? P tag. Yes, how you can define P tag? It is used to create the paragraph. It is used to create new paragraph. Very good. It is used to create new paragraph. All right. B tag. Yes, it is used to make the text appear as bold. You can refer page 74. You can check at page 74 too. It is used to make text bold. I tag. It is used to tilt the text. It is used to tilt the text. Again, you can refer to page 74. Okay. SUP. First of all, tell me what is the full form of SUP? Superscript. Superscript. This tag is used to display the text as superscript. Okay. Page 75 पे आइए. This tag is used to display the text as superscript. Right? Full stop. Now, after that, you will give the meaning of superscript 2. The superscript text will appear half a character height above the other characters. The superscript text will appear half the character height above the other characters. Okay. Title. It contains the title of the document. 70 page. Font tag. Is this the manner? Are these manners? Yes, Arjun. Yes. This tag is used to change the size, color, and style of the segment of text. You can refer to page 80. 8080. You can check it there. Got it? All right. Now coming to the question answers. What is HTML? The very first page. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Is it grammatically correct sentence, whatever you are speaking? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is used to develop the web pages. It is used to develop the web pages. Then leave one line here in the paragraph, then see the next line. It is the markup language. It tells how to make a web document interactive through hyperlinks. Clear? What are the features of HTML? Don't you speak too much. Page 67. It is used to create websites. It is a platform independent. It is not case sensitive. It allows the creation of hypertext and hyperlinks. I repeat once again, I discuss once again. It is used to create websites. It is a platform independent. It is not case sensitive. It allows the creation of hypertext and hyperlinks. All right. Differentiate between empty tag and container tag. Okay. You speak about container tag. How you can define container tag? Yes. इसमें कोई बात है सोचने वाली? अभी डिस्कस किया कितना सारा. What are container tags? The tag which contains both on and off tag, both opening and closing tags. And what are empty tags, Kanav? The tag which only contains the opening tag, but not the closing tag. Okay. Second point, will you do keep doing like this only in the class? All time you are non-serious, I know. Example of container. All these are container tags. Bold, italic, underline container tags. Font tag, container tag. Okay, example of empty tags. HR, BR, LI, IMG. Okay. Then make one correction in your book. Come on the very first page of this chapter. Under the paragraph, creating an HTML document, the very first line, text editor like Notepad and WordPad. Cut the word WordPad. Cut the word WordPad. WordPad is not a text editor. Instead of this, write few more examples. Notepad++. Notepad++. Notepad 2. Gedit. gedit. Am I clear? Online class, please make the necessary correction in your book. What is the structure of HTML document? Come to page number 69.